Hey everybody, Ray here. Recently, I put out a video about how to make this 45-degree crosscut sled. I'll put that video up here if you have an interest. But what I'm going to do today is to add a stop block onto this so I can make repeated cuts more quickly and accurately. I'm going to try to show you how to do this in less than 3 minutes, so let's go. So obviously, the first thing you'll want to do is to cut your T-track down to the appropriate size. Use some small screws and mount it to the top of your fence. The T-track I use is an inexpensive T-track. I like to use the kind that I can just use a 1/4-inch bolt and it'll fit right along that T-track. The next thing you want to do is determine the size that you need for your stop block. I used a piece that's about 1.5 inches wide, and to determine the height, I just set my board next to the stop block and then marked it where it needed to be cut. Then I needed to know how deep the top had to be. I did the same thing. I just set it up there and marked how long I wanted it to be cut. Then I could go in and put a 1/4-inch hole to accept that 1/4-inch bolt. Once I did that, I could glue the two pieces together, clamp them, and wait an hour, 2 hours, whatever. And then I was ready to go. I could take this and I could mount it right in my T-track there. And there it goes. I can set that to whatever length I want, and I can get repeated cuts every time I use it. It's just that easy. Go make yourself one. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to have more short videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to do some more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit me with that thumbs up if you would. I always appreciate it.